Well, in Calabar, there was a time I was very angry with the chiefs there. All the chiefs. I saw the way this Ikwe masquerade was being used. Abused by children. Used for Christmas. As if it was an ordinary place. I was angry. I said, well, these people in Calabar Township are not the only owners of Ikwe. Why do they cheapen these things? What is all this? Let me tell you what I intended to do. I intended to find out what it would cost to go to the Obams Council. I will get Ikwe people there to tell me what I should bring. And then I will sit the Ikwe chiefs down and tell them, tell me why all that I'm seeing is happening. Ikwe is not a matter of Calabar Township only. This thing that is happening, is it with your agreement? That's the question I wanted to ask them. Then I would tell them all that I know are the occasions for playing Ikwe. The occasions that warrant Ikwe. I will tell them. When an Ikwe man dies, and it is what that Ikwe must play for him, his burial, Ikwe will play. If the chief the chief and his council want to make a pronouncement, it becomes necessary that Ikwe must be played, it will be played. And some other occasions like that. Then I'll ask them, which is the other occasion you people?
Playing this. Did they answer?
It's on Christmas?
No, I was saying that I was thinking of going to them.
Okay, you were thinking of it.
It's just the money that made me not go to them. When I waited, I was looking for money. Then I heard that all this carrying of the masquerade around during Christmas, that it had been banned. Then I asked, who banned it? Was it the government? Because they banned Ikwe and so on. They said no, that it was the Ikwe chiefs. I was very happy and relieved. I was very happy and relieved. You see, if only because for the community, what should be respected should be respected. What he has told you, I gave you a little warning regarding it early when you told me. I gave you a little warning regarding Oron Beach. It will not be easy for you to get an Oron man to speak to you, to even speak to you about it. Because it is something. Ikwe is not a son. It is not that of Irwa people. Ikwe is Ikwe. If Irwa people decide to give you Ikwe, it will be Ikwe. That same Ikwe entitles you to appear wherever Ikwe is. In Oron, in Calabar, in any part of Oron, wherever they play Ikwe, you will be entitled. It is not for one place. Well, one place can only admit you into it. But in your case, they all need to know How does it, if it is an Igbo man, they will need to know. If it's a Yoruba man, they will need to know. It's not just because you are white. How does this man come to get it?
For what reason? They will ask.
I want to know. You see? And the main difficulty is this. Let me tell you the main difficulty. These people want to know if you have been admitted to Ekwe before. Can you show the evidence? It is not written on paper. If they know that you've been admitted, your case is easy. Is that true or not?
It's true. True.
It is easier. But that doesn't mean that they won't have difficulty.
There will be difficulty. Then they will.
All right, sir. Since in Calabar he has been admitted into this thing, okay. You hear him mention Atta. If that man, if it becomes known that he's given this plate Ekwe for my friend, people will go to Atta and ask him, did you allow him to do that? The man will be in trouble. That's how it is here. I have told you that Ekwe was a highly organized and serious community police. People regarded it seriously and had to. That is why in all the Ekwe owning societies, the kinds of crimes that exist now did not exist. People telling lies everywhere, stealing, it didn't exist. So that is that by way of introduction. My friend has already been admitted into this Ekwe. I have played. We went and sang and drummed Ekwe together with the Ekwe chief in Calabar. They also came to my house and we sang Ekwe there. I sing Ekwe. But as there are people who are not members of Ekwe here among us, I will not say.
We cannot. Particularly a woman is here.
You see, this thing, what he has told you is also true. He's not particularly interested in Ekwe. What he's interested in a piece of information which the world needs. The world doesn't know much about Africa. Only recently it was described as the dark continent. There are people who are working to make this continent, Africa, less dark.
As was painted.
Yes. Let's know what was going on there. And I have read a lot of other people. You see? Basil Davidson, for instance, Old Africa Rediscovered. He educated a lot of people across the world. This place you call Dark Continent, what was happening in other areas were happening there. So that is all he wants to know. How come these people that migrated to Cuba, how come they brought an institution like this that refused to die? What did this institution really represent? Is it the devil's institution as people paint it? Dark continent. juju, witchcraft, all these things. What is the connection of Ekpe with them? People want to know. And somebody must give them some light. He has come to give that light. That is why I'm here.
Thank you very much.
I could have done the kind of, people like me could do the kind of research he's doing, but we don't have the money. And we don't have the organization. There's no university in Nigeria that can release a man like him
To come and
go around to
The world
some
over.
other continents and find out facts. No university. Not even all the universities together can do it. So that is why I am here. I am a man for investigation. We must know. It is knowledge. We must know. I've told him that Ekpe was not a secret cult. It's not all those things that people allege. This, that. It was just a no-nonsense police in the society. So, Chief, yes, you will see it. We will help you to see the community. Yes, you must not be alone to do this thing. But they must consider that Ekpe is not a money-seeking thing. Ekpe is not for money. The only thing this man wants is information. Let Ekpe give him the information they can give. What they cannot give to him, they can keep it. That's all.
Thank you, Prof.